Half hitch knot. Step 1. Wrap the rope around the support. Step 2. Pass the end through the loop and tighten. Slippery half hitch. This is occasionally useful but should be temporary. It is actually only an overhand knot around the object, with the end run back through the knot and left slippery. It can be quickly untied by pulling on the free end. The slippery half hitch can be locked by passing the end back through the eye and pulling tight. Pedigree. Cow hitch. Step 1. Pass rope over the support. Step 2. Pass it to the right from behind. Step 3. Encircle the support. Step 4. Pull it down. Step 5. Tighten the knot. Globe hitch. Step 1. Hang rope from the support. Step 2. Loop around the support with the end. Step 3. Pass it from behind the rope. Step 4. Pull to tighten. Step 5. The knot is complete. Constrictor knot. Step 1. Wrap the working end around the object. Step 2. Make an 8 passing it above the standing part. Step 3. Take it upwards. Step 4. Pull both the end tightly to secure.